Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fine Arts and Travel. You are seeing beautiful nature video of flowers blooming. It took more than an hour for these flowers to bloom in the full form, but in 1 minute you can see this video. This process of blooming of flowers takes more than an hour, but you have seen this in a minute, and now you will be seeing beautiful butterflies in the nature. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on travel and art. Keep watching. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.